In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Smart Reply feature in Gmail. This handy tool can save you time and help you communicate more efficiently by suggesting responses that fit your email conversations. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your Gmail. If you're already logged into your Google account, head straight to your inbox. For those new to Gmail or just logging in after some time, simply navigate to mail.google.com and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you should see your inbox with a list of your latest emails. Now let's move on to fine-tuning those settings. Look towards the upper right corner of your Gmail window. There you'll spot the gear icon that symbolizes settings. Click on this gear icon. A drop-down menu will appear offering several options. From those, select the See All Settings option. This will open a new page filled with different configuration settings to enhance your Gmail experience. With the settings open, make sure you're on the General tab. This section contains a wide range of options to customize your Gmail, but today our focus is on the Smart Reply feature. Carefully scroll down through the various settings options until you find the one labeled Smart Reply. Once you've found it, you should see a toggle to enable or disable this feature. If Smart Reply isn't turned on yet, click on the Smart Reply On option. Doing so enables Gmail to start providing those quick response suggestions when you view emails. After making this change, don't forget to save your new settings. At the bottom of this page there's a Save Changes button. Click it to ensure your adjustments are stored, otherwise you might find yourself circling back only to discover none of the modifications applied. With Smart Reply activated, the next time you open an email to respond, you'll notice a few suggested replies right below the message. These are intelligently crafted by Gmail based on the content of the email you're responding to. If any of these suggested replies seem appropriate, go ahead and click on one to have it automatically populate your reply draft. Of course, these replies are not set in stone. Before hitting send, feel free to tweak them to better fit your style, or to add additional points or nuances that the suggestion might miss. It's a great blend of both convenience and personalization. And there you have it, you're now equipped to use Gmail's Smart Reply to help manage your emails swiftly and effectively.